Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Explore with Fatu. I'm currently in LA. I landed today. I'm really tired, really jet lagged, so don't mind my voice. I just got to the hotel, got a shower, got ready quick. We're gonna get some food. I'm actually with one of my friends because we bought a bit this trip. Her name is Liz. She's also got a YouTube channel, so I'll link her as well. But yeah, it's gonna be a great trip, and stay tuned for what you're about to see. Hello, so it's day 2. This is Liz.
What's
The
up,
beautiful
guys?
Liz. Follow her on Insta and YouTube. I'll link it down. We've got so much fun things to do today. We're gonna go downtown LA.
You better watch the whole video. That's
Yeah.
all I know.
If you don't watch it, you're missing
It's
out.
your loss.
You're missing out. It's your loss.
Your last.
We're so excited. We're actually matching all the patterns. Twinning. Ooh. Okay. Look at that body. I need to start
If I
eating
tell you
beef.
where the body is coming
I need
from.
to start eating beef. But yeah, we're gonna go out. We're gonna have some fun, and stay tuned. So we're currently trying to find a car to rent. The one at the hotel, they only had an SUV left, and it's too big, it's too massive. So we're gonna go to Express or something, I don't know what it's called, to find another car to rent. We are actually all vlogging today. We're currently waiting for the car that we're gonna pick up. I'm here eating as usual. Cheetos because I'm hungry. This is tired. Okay. She's over it. She's over it. By the time it's gonna be 1.5 hours drive to downtown LA. By the time we get there, that's why I had to get some food. You know me, I have to eat. This is the car we're gonna drive.
It's so noisy.
Yeah. So this is the car we're gonna drive downtown. So we're finally in the car. Liz is driving, and that's Amber. You haven't met her yet. We're gonna have such a good time.
I can't wait.
Because we're all good vibes.
Well,
gonna be
good
good.
vibes.
Yeah.
Are you gonna say wives?
Wife.
But it's great.
What
Yeah.
all good vibes.
We're gonna make it, inshallah.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Translations, God willing.
Liz is sitting there like, this girl's gonna have any faith in me. No, we do have faith in her.
We do.
You know, it's
I would not be in the car if I didn't.
Oh my
I
God.
would not be here.
we don't know what we're doing yet, but we will,
Well, winging
Keep
it.
watching.
yeah, keep watching.
That's the Queen Mary.
Ooh, it's massive.
Oh, because you're filming.
It's actually massive, you know. Holding up.
We're good.
Good. Good.
I'm good. I don't know about her.
We're good. Hills. Liz is an amazing driver.
Period.
She did her thing. Yeah, we had a good road trip. We're currently we're currently in Beverly Hills. Look at these houses. Listen, in a few years time, you're gonna see me living in one of these houses. Even better ones with my hubby. In a few years time, we will make it, inshallah. But yeah, just walking down Beverly Hills. I wonder who lives here actually.
Yeah, I do.
Yeah, I'm like, I want to know who lives here.
Huh?
How did Liz do?
She did alright. Like, we're still alive. There was like lumps and bumps, but we didn't die. She's gonna knock us out.
She's gonna be like,
She did good.
She did good. She drove with class, you know. We got here. We are in Beverly Hills. Welcome. Welcome to my hotel.
Welcome to my MTV cribs.
Welcome to my MTV crib. Let me show you my room. So here's where I park all my cars. You know, I've got so many different cars. You know, and my guests when they come. You know.
Our valet boy's just at the top of the drive.
Exactly. Just follow me.
I keep all my supercars at the top, as you'll see.
We are inside the Beverly Hills toilet. It looks so nice.
It looks so good.
It looks amazing. We're staying here for the night, you know. We thought we would treat ourselves, you know. I'm joking, but yeah, it must be nice being this rich. But yeah, toilet is best toilet.
Guys, look at them. Look at them. Slaying. Oh.
Which way should we go?
Baby, I don't know. I'm too busy just admiring.
Go this way or this way?
Look at them acting like I didn't know.
So from Beverly Hills, and now we are at the Walk of Fame. As you can see the stars at the bottom. We're just gonna stroll around, have a walk. I need to go to Target and CVS. He's also vlogging for her YouTube channel at the back. But yeah, it's cold. It is actually cold. I don't know why, but it's freezing.
It's freezing. I really thought it was going to be like hot.
Yeah, LA is supposed to be hot, but apparently not. Oh, we're just unlucky. And we came. Okay, so we've got the real star here, Michael Jackson.
That one is so cool.
Can you take me a picture
Queen
here?
Latifah.
Oh, Queen Latifah.
Queen Latifah.
Oh my God, you're covering it.
Latifah.
Queen Latifah. I love
That
her.
one's so cool. That one is incredibly cool.
I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I am tired. It's my bedtime back in the UK, but yo, I think the girls are at the back, everyone is vlogging, they all have their own YouTube channel. But yeah, it's great to be back here. I've been here before with my girls, but it's great to be back.
And then like
you
I
know?
can get it the next day.
I like LA. Apart from it being cold, freezing. Today I like it. It's not freezing, but it's about 13, 14 degrees. But apart from that, like you can see my chewing gum. Sorry. Apart from that, I really like it. It's not bad. But yeah, we're just gonna walk some more and then go to Santa Monica and get some food. We haven't actually eaten yet because we're trying to get pictures, you know. But yeah, let me show you the behind the scenes. So they're launching this movie, Hawkeye, with Haley Stanfield. And they're launching it today. There are probably some celebrities here. They closed off the whole street. I don't know if we're gonna see any celebrities, but yeah. It's right there, lots of security as well. There'll probably be some celebrities here. Red carpet. And that's the movie. I don't know what his name is, but with Haley Stanfield. Going to get something to eat. We're going to. So I'm deciding what to eat. It's between this one. It's between this one or where is it? Seafood.
Not seafood. Favorite.
Or this. So it's between this or the other one. I don't know what to have.
Bye, babes.
Alright,
The food actually looks amazing. Oh yeah, you did great.
big serving.
What did you have?
Yo, you know what I'm saying?
What you have? What you have?
We got the chicken, we got
Chicken,
the
pancakes, syrup.
we got ranch dressing.
Come on.
Hey, y'all ain't got that ranch dressing up in the UK. Y'all
Proper
missing out.
American,
I
y'all.
can swallow this.
Listen, you can swallow it. Oh my God. Fatu, what did you get?
I've got the lobster garlic.
Oh my God.
You know.
Let's
Look
see.
at this.
Cheese.
It looks
Ooh.
good.
Amber.
I got the same as you, too. I got the shrimp, what was it?
The shrimp, whatever.
Yeah, whatever it's called. But I took away the sausage and the chicken and I got extra
Oh
chicken.
yeah. That's amazing. Enjoy, guys. The food looks amazing. I'm not gonna lie.
Finally back at the hotel.
Oh my God. Look at my hair.
What time is it? It's 1, 2 a.m. We don't know.
It's 10 a.m. in the UK.
Everyone is tired.
I had to undo my hair.
Liz is done.
My hair's too tight.
I know, this is done.
We made it alive.
We made it alive. We're back at the hotel. I'm gonna shower and sleep.
Good to go.
See you tomorrow. So, hello. So yesterday was actually great. We did have good fun, but we got really tired at the end. And this is why she was driving the whole journey, so she was tired. We were all tired by the end. We didn't get home till I think 1 a.m. Yeah. So today I didn't want to get off the bed. I just wanted to stay in bed, but we have to return the car. So I'm meeting with the girls downstairs and we're gonna return the car rental. Then we're gonna get some food, and we're just gonna come back and get ready because we're actually going back home today in the afternoon. So we don't have much time, but yeah, we're just gonna try and do a few bits and bobs. But yesterday was amazing. I'm really tired. I'm still tired. It's 8 hours time difference, so it takes time for your body clock to adapt to different time zones. Most of the time my body still stays in UK time zone, so I struggle to stay awake in the afternoon here because my body clock is still in UK time zone. But yeah, so yeah, we're just gonna get some food and return the car, then get ready and ready to roll. So I'm just gonna meet up with the girls downstairs. See you in a bit. Time to return the car. I'm not on the passenger seat today. So you're in charge of music.
I am.
You're in charge of music, Amber.
Oh wait, I don't even have any data, so what do I listen to?
It's
So
probably-
it says PS1.
No.
10 minutes.
Yeah, it's fun. Yeah.
We just returned the car
It's literally just there.
at the back. It was a good trip, guys. What do you guys think? We enjoyed it.
Yeah, no, it was so good. I think we got so tired yesterday. Like the way back, we didn't record anything because we were
Actually,
so
we
tired.
didn't. Yeah, I didn't even record the motorway.
Yeah, literally, it was so.
But yeah, we're gonna go home. So we've got what, 2 hours left? Yeah, 2 hours. Is it 2
Yeah,
hours?
how long have we been here? Like 3 days.
Yeah.
This is 3 days. Yeah, like 3.
But we've got
days.
2 hours left, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, we have to hurry up, get ready, pack, and then go home. So we're coming to the end of my vlog. Yes, it's home time. I had such a great time in LA. It was great. We had so much fun. Yeah, this is the end. I just need to get ready quick and to catch the flight back home. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you. Bye bye.